Hello everybody, it's Suzanne here, and today we're going to talk about what you need for full makeup. I keep getting requests to write these out, and I keep writing all these answers out, and today I'm going to give you who asked a video. So let's begin. We're going to assume that your skin is clean, so I'm sure you've used maybe a wipe or a cleanser with a washcloth and warm water, anything with clean skin. Then be sure to use a moisturizer, preferably something with a sunscreen in it to protect your skin, not just moisturize, and an eye product to treat this eye, the area underneath the eyes. Why do we do this? Is because our skin likes to try to absorb our makeup if you don't put a moisturizer on underneath, and we don't want that. So put a moisturizer on, it nourishes the skin, it moisturizes the skin, and it will take care of your skin. So first thing, after cleansing, moisturizer on your face, don't forget your throat. Then comes the eye cream, or eye cream first, then the moisturizer, whichever you prefer. Then let's talk about primers. Primers are the next step. They help fill in fine lines, any unevenness in the skin, as in pores, small scars. They can also, it also helps in keeping that makeup on longer and keeps it looking fresh. Then comes your foundation. You'll need foundation, you'll need a concealer, and then you'll need a powder to set it all. Following that, let's talk about brows. You can do a brow pencil, a brow powder, a brow pomade, or brow gel. So you might need a angled brush with a spoolie end to that. With that, then you'll need a eyeshadow primer, something like this. This is Eye Fix. It keeps your eyeshadow on and it keeps it from creasing. Then let's talk about eyeshadows. Oh my goodness, the choices are endless. This is a Urban Decay palette from the Naked series. It's Naked number 3. Of course, you can go anywhere, or you can do the singles. You can do all kinds of palettes. This is a palette that not only has the eyeshadows, but it also has lipsticks and blushes and highlight in it. So again, choices are endless. You'll need eyeshadow. You'll need eyeliner. Eyeliner is pencil form, gel form, liquid form, or you can use a powder. Mascara to finish off the eye. There we go. Then let's talk about contour, powder form, or a cream form. Blush also powder form or cream form. Same comes with highlighter. Oh my goodness, highlighter also is a powder form. Let's open this up. Can you tell? Yes, there we go. Powder. This one is liquid. And then we have a cream. Lips are next. Oh my goodness. The choices, the choices, the choices with lip liners. Come in different forms, different colors. Oh my goodness, here's a lip gloss next, or a couple of lip colors. You can do whatever you want. The choices are overwhelming when it comes to your lip color, lip product, from a lipstick, a lip gloss, a matte color, oh my goodness, a chubby pencil, whatever. Lots and lots of things to choose from. So lips are done. Then you will spritz and use a setting spray. And if you are advanced enough, you would then move on and apply false lashes. There you want to use a set of lashes that you like, and make sure, and this is important, that you use a good lash glue. All right, those were now the products. Next come the tools. You will need a concealer brush, a couple of powder brushes, a big powder brush and a small powder brush. This goes for, you know, on the nose, in the eyes, corners, things like that. We've already talked about your spoolie and your brow angled brush. It's very stiff. Make sure it's very stiff. Then your eyeshadow brushes, a couple of fluffy brushes. You'll need some flat brushes of some sort. I like this one generally. This one for really fine work, but to start with, something like this is good. You'll need a very stiff angled brush for your contour if you're using powder, and a clean brush to go along with that to blend. Then you come with a powder or a blush brush, and I like using something like this as my highlighter brush, although some people like to use the fan brush as well or instead. So choices are yours. There's lip brushes. If you use a lip brush, make sure it's something like this. It's very stiff, that can take on the color and then apply. So those are the tools in brushes. Of course, you want a sponge of some sort. It doesn't matter what shape. It can be something like this as well, a wedge, or a beauty blender, doesn't matter, or of course your fingers. You can use the fingers as well. I think we have covered it all. If you have any questions, please private message me. I can answer or try to answer the best I can. Until next time, everybody, it's been Suzanne. Love to you all.